souls. Hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. Coming to today's topic, the services which we provide, the readings which we provide, it is psychometry. So what is psychometry? Psychometry is just about reading the energies of things. So we read the energies, your energies or your loved one's energies through photograph or anything related to them. And we also read the energies of your pets if you have any and if you want to know about them, like the past, present, future, their karmic things, any questions. We shall come to that part now, that what all you can ask. And we can also read the energies of objects, like allegedly non-living objects. You always observe that I never say non-living things, I always say allegedly non-living things. The reason being, in psychometry, in spirituality, everything has a soul, everything speaks to us, everything has its own aura, own energy. So it is not really non-living, right? Anything which has an aura, of course there is energy in that, right? And in spirituality, energy is life. So nothing is actually totally non-living. Yeah. So we read, let's say that you want to know that how you have purchased a phone and it is for your spiritual sorry, for your professional purpose, and you just want to know that how will that phone be for you. Will it be lucky, unlucky, auspicious, inauspicious? So for that you can go for psychometric readings. We'll read the energies of the phone, and it includes everything, basically its process, how harshly it was produced and how lovingly it was taken care of, basically all the energies. And based on that we shall see its aura, like how its aura is, which will of course affect you on energetic level. And this is how auspiciousness or inauspiciousness of things are decided. If an object, if anything has positive aura, it will be auspicious for you. If anything has negative aura, it will be inauspicious for you, right? So this is where reading the energies of objects and things work. Let's say if your phone, or let's say if your cash locker had negative aura because of harsh processing, or the mindset, the energies of the people who manufactured it, who sold it, who brought it. So it picks up on everything, energies of the atmosphere. So based on that, it will have its aura, it will have its energy. If it is positive, then of course it will give you good results. Happy people always keep others happy, right? And if it is negative, then you might not get more cash to put in the locker. Or taking this phone example, this phone will give you stagnancies in your career. So this is how things happen, things work. And of course you can also ask the remedies, like, okay, if the energy of phone is negative now, if my cash locker's energy is negative, what can I do to make it auspicious for me, right? So you can ask these kind of questions, like how did something happen. Let's say if you want to ask about yourself or any person through their photograph or through anything related to them, then you can ask questions like how did so and so thing happen, or when did so and so thing happen, can also be asked. But I always say to avoid when questions in psychic readings, because time frames are subject to change based on our energy. So when will so and so thing happen, try to avoid. But if it is really important, then of course you can ask. So how will that thing happen, how did certain thing happen, um and why did certain thing happen, what are the obstacles, what will happen in career, what will happen in relationship, what will happen in my life. And any question, what, how, why, any questions, or any guidance based questions. What can I do to have to achieve a particular outcome? What can I do to have a house, to have a property, which I desire, to have a career, to have financial growth, to have good relationship, to get married to that person if possible. So lot many you can ask anything guidance based, and what, how, why, when also. But yeah, it depends. And anything about past, present, future, even the inner child deepest issues or karmic issues, past life issues, anything, basically whatever angels reveal us through this reading, we will tell you that. Okay, so this is about the readings. Also you can ask any questions about yourself, like your spiritual life, your physical, mental, emotional status. How can you, what can you do to have a happy life, and all these things. Anything about you, professional, personal, spiritual, emotional, mental. And you'll get a guidance on it, because in psychometry we again connect with your energies, and then we see guidance from angels. This is how psychometry is done. Now, another thing about it is what kind of questions you cannot ask. Please do not ask any negative questions or negatively intended questions. Do not ask death questions. Do not ask gender based questions, please. Like, I'm pregnant, will I have a boy or a girl? Please don't ask these questions. And yeah, legal and medical questions are selected, depends on what question you ask. We take few questions, we do not take few questions. Yeah. And yeah, this is all about the don'ts. And yes, try to ask near future questions, more than far future questions. Again, for the same reason that, here all the psychic readings pick up on current energies, your thoughts, beliefs, your beliefs, your experiences, and energies based on that, and then they predict the things. For short-term future, of course, energies cannot change. Our beliefs don't change so soon, right? So chances of accuracies are very high, 99.99% accurate. And if you ask about far future, like what will happen 10 years, 20 years down the line, then chances of accuracies are 95%. Even that is high, but compared to near future, it is less, right? Because our beliefs might change, our experiences might change in the span of 10 to 20 years. So yeah, chances of inaccuracies will be comparatively more. Now, if you ask, are the results guaranteed? Are the predictions guaranteed? No, this is why I said it is 99.99% accurate and not 100% accurate. Reason being, our free will. We all are gifted with free will by the divine, and no divine energies can intervene in our free will. So free will is just our choice and decision. In any course of time, we are free to make our own choice, decision, and action, and it will cause a whole change or shift in the energy, right? And this is where these readings are helpful, and please take these readings only as a guidance. Because see, let's say you want to ask, what are the chances of me clearing this interview tomorrow? And chances are really good, you get a positive rating, but tomorrow you just choose to skip the interview, then of course reading will be proven inaccurate, right? So if you use your free will and make another decision, like let's say if you're like, what are the chances of reconciliation happening with my ex? Chances are really good, but you have to initiate, and the person is like, no, I don't want to initiate. Or maybe it is like, what are the chances of reconciliation happening? And we say, yes, it is very good. But when ex contacts, that person is like, please don't talk to me, then we can't do anything, right? So in these cases, basically, if you use your free will to create anything against your energy, change in energy, it will just change the outcome. So that's why there are chances of inaccuracy. So please follow the guidance if you want to have a specific outcome. Now, as I said, that please use them as a guidance tool and use free will as a gift. Because let's say if you're getting a positive reading, it means that you are in good energy, please maintain that. But if you're getting a negative reading, no need to be demoralized, because it means that currently you are not in the right energy. If you change your energies using your free will, your determination, your choices, decisions, actions, then there might be chances that you get what you want, right? So if you get a negative reading, make sure to ask that, is there any chance to make it positive? And if yes, how, right? So this is about the readings. This is about psychometry readings. And what do we need from you? Of course, if reading is about you, let's say if it is about you, we need your name, your date of birth, your current location, along with let's say any object, like your photograph or anything which you want to ask about. If it is about another person, we need these details about them. If it is about your pet, we need your details, name of your pet and picture of your pet. If it is about the object, of course, we need details of owner of object and the picture of object. That's all. And how do we do these readings? There are currently 4 modes, that is audio, video record, and audio, video call. For recordings, of course, you have to send your details along with the questions beforehand. And in the given time frame, we shall send your reading or either through audio record, or we shall record the video of we doing the readings, and then we shall send it to you. For on-call readings, you need not send your details and questions beforehand. You can share it to us during the time of reading. At that time, when we schedule your session, all you have to do is contact us, book the session, like get the session scheduled, and just during the time of session be available and tell your questions and your details and send the pictures or whatever the thing is, right? And then we shall do your readings, either audio call or video call, where you can see the reader and you can see them doing the readings, right? And currently the duration is basically the readings are time based, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and so on. So, and you can ask unlimited questions in that time. Let's say that you have booked 10 minutes of reading, so you can ask any number of questions in that 10 minutes. So this is how we do these readings. And if you have any doubts in this, feel free to comment below, and I shall be more than happy to help you and assist you with that. Take care, stay blessed till we meet again.